Hi there, students. Periodical. Okay, this can either be an adjective or a noun. So periodical as an adjective means something that happens from time to time. So I want you to send me periodical reports. I make periodical visits to the dentist. I visit the dentist periodically. Okay, so periodical, from time to time. This machine is very useful, but it needs periodical recalibration. Okay, this is something that needs to be done from time to time. You need to make periodical checks to make sure that everything is working properly. And then a periodical is a publication that is published at regular intervals, but not a newspaper, not something that's published every day. Every day is a newspaper, but a periodical normally is a magazine. It's published once a week or once a month, and this is a periodical. So I think newspapers and periodicals are having a very hard time in the age of internet. So I don't know, the New Yorker is a famous periodical. Yeah, it's a publication that's issued at regular intervals, normally once a month or once a week. So the newspaper stand sells newspapers and periodicals. Yeah, a magazine or a magazine that is on a serious subject that is published regularly. She has written articles for several psychology periodicals. Yeah, there are periodicals, a magazine that is published regularly. I subscribe to a number of periodicals. This is a periodical dealing with arts and crafts. Okay, so normally it's a magazine on a serious or a technical subject that's published regularly, but it isn't normally used for a newspaper that is published every day. So periodical, from time to time. You need to make periodical checks. You could use periodic as a synonym for the adjective as well. Okay, so periodical, a magazine that's issued at regular intervals, and then periodic, something that happens from time to time with a fixed interval between them. So it happens every few months. You need to get a periodical checkup from the doctor. You need periodical screening for cancer. He made periodical visits to the dentist. So regular, recurrent, repeated, yeah, occasional, from time to time. Okay, so periodical. Let's see, formality. Periodic visits, 5 in formality, use anywhere. Newspapers and periodicals, 6.5 in formality. I'd call them magazines. Yeah, more informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from the word period, a period of time, which comes from ancient Greek, periodos, an interval of time, a path around something. Peri, around, and hodos, the way around. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Periodicals.